Hello, welcome to Texture Myth. In this session, we will learn about like keyword. So here I have created one program. So let's go through the program. So here we are writing the code in fully free format, and we have declared some control option, that is no debug IO and src_stmt, which is mainly for the debugging purpose. Now below to that, we have declared two variable. One is user ID, which is of character type and of size 8, and we have initialized that so that there should not be any chance for the garbage value in the variable. Now on line number 15 we are using that like keyword. So what is the need of using this keyword? So suppose you want to declare one more variable which has the same properties or attribute like this. Like suppose I want to create one variable transaction ID whose type is also character and of size 8. So in that case, instead of writing and declaring it again, what I will do, I will refer it this variable. So how to refer this variable? We will use this like keyword, and inside that we can pass that variable from which it will copy the attributes. Okay, so in that case what will happen, like now transaction ID is also considered as a character type variable of size 8. Okay, so suppose there are many variables which are having the similar type of attributes. So in that case we can utilize this like keyword to copy or to have the same kind of attributes on the variable. Okay, so in this scenario we don't need to re-justify or initialize the variables. We can directly assign with the help of like keyword. Now in main logic, I am assigning some values to user ID as well as transaction ID. And after that, we are just displaying these both ID. Okay. And on line number 24, we are setting star INLR equals to star on. So let's compile and check. So it is not giving any kind of error because transaction ID is also declared but with the help of like keyword, and we are getting the correct output. Okay, so whenever there is a need when you want to copy a attribute of some variable, in that case you can directly use this like keyword. So it is useful for saving the time while doing the coding. Okay, so yeah, that's all for this session. In the upcoming session we will learn about few more things. Oh, thank you for watching Tech Myth.